Hey there and welcome back. In today's tutorial, I'm going to walk you through how to add a device frame to your prototype in Figma. Whether you're working on a mobile app design, showing off a website responsive layout, or simply want to make your prototype look more polished and professional, this is a super easy step that can really elevate how your work is presented. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to choose a device frame, customize the look, and preview your work like a pro. Let's jump right in. So you've got your design ready in Figma, and now it's time to share or test your prototype. One thing that often gets overlooked is presenting your prototype within an actual device frame. This helps your clients, teammates, or even just yourself to better imagine how your product will actually appear in the real world on a phone or tablet. Start by heading over to the prototype section in Figma. You'll see this at the top right of your workspace. It's the tab right next to design. Click on prototype and your settings panel will pop up on the right. Here you're going to find a drop-down menu under prototype settings. This is where the magic happens. In that drop-down, you'll notice a list of devices, everything from the latest iPhones and Androids to iPads and even desktop screens. Go ahead and select the device you want to use. Let's say you want to showcase your app on an iPhone 14 Pro Max. Click it, and Figma will instantly wrap your prototype in a realistic-looking phone frame. This simple step adds context and a bit of wow factor to your design presentation. Now, here's a cool part. You can actually tailor the look of the device frame even more. Under the device selection, there's an option to add color. Maybe you want the phone to be space black, silver, or one of the classic Apple colors. By adjusting the color, you can match the device aesthetics to your brand, or just make the preview pop a little bit extra. It's a small detail, but it makes your prototype feel more real and thoughtfully put together. Next, take a moment to consider the device orientation. You can switch between portrait and landscape mode depending on the nature of your design. If you're working with a video or game concept, landscape usually makes more sense. For most apps or traditional web designs, portrait is the standard choice. Changing the placement is as simple as clicking the orientation switch. Figma will rotate your device frame accordingly. If you don't see things lining up perfectly, don't worry, just give it a second or tweak your canvas size to match. At this point, it's time to preview your masterpiece. Hit that preview button, and Figma will show you exactly how your design looks inside the chosen device. Take a moment here to look for any misplaced elements, test how the transitions feel, and get a real sense for how your design will appear on an actual phone. Don't be afraid to go back and swap the device or color until it matches what you need. This part is fully customizable and you can always experiment. And that's all there is to it. Adding a proper device frame makes your Figma prototype stand out, helps communicate your ideas more clearly, and gives your presentation that extra professional touch. If you found this tutorial helpful, please hit that like button. And if you have any questions or need more tips for Figma, drop a comment below. I check them regularly and love helping out. Don't forget to subscribe for more easy-to-follow design tutorials. Thanks for watching and happy designing.